So what's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Atom, which is a text editor for basically any programming language you want to write on. You need a text editor. In my previous video I'll show you how to install XAMPP, so if you want to do PHP you need a text editor, right? So I'm going to show you how to install Atom. Atom is for HTML5, XHTML, PHP, jQuery, JSON. To mention in Python too, man, you can edit code in Python. So basically this is the channel you want to learn programming language, you want to know tech wise, you want to know how to install device, you want to know a lot. We don't have no limits right here, man. We don't see no roof from the top. Yeah, we just keep going. There's no top to us. We keep going, we keep growing. So in this video, show how to download, how to install Atom. So in the link description below, in the link in the description of the video, I'm going to show you how to download Atom. It's basically free. Yeah, it's free. I think it's GitHub is the one, like promoting stuff like that. It will be GitHub. So basically, I don't say that I'm recommending Atom for you, but it could be handy. I use Supplantex because it's light. I'm not recommending for you. I use Supplantex because it's light. Many people like GUI, so because of graphic user interface, you like Atom, or you like all the text editors, or you like Supplantex. I like Supplantex because it lets you light. But when you coding, right? When you coding in, let's talk through where it's loading. When we coding, you will troubleshoot, right? When you troubleshooting, you like to see a different GUI because sometimes a particular GUI is tiring to the eye. Like you get tired of seeing, let's say, Supplantex come up every time. You get tired of seeing Supplantex come up. You get tired of seeing these, that, maybe so many different. You get tired of seeing a particular technical GUI every time. So there are a lot. I'm going to show you how to install every one of them. There are a lot, so stick through. You see how to install every one of them. So while Atom is being installed and will launch once it's done, it's a lot. Programming journey is very simple. Step by step, you get there. If you want to fly, basically you'll crash. You'll crash and you'll still come back and watch and type and learn and watch everything you skip. If you're watching with videos, you come back and watch the video. You come and learn the hard way and the worst and time way, and that's the part people give up, why people snap, because programming is like learning a new language. English, French, you cannot skip. You don't know the French alphabet, you don't know the French numbers, and you want to add and divide in French, and you want to make a sentence in French. You don't even know the French alphabet, you don't know how to pronounce the alphabet. It's impossible, right? Simple programming language, even know the basic the syntax, the basic syntax. How you gonna write a program? A generic program for the matter. A generic function. How you gonna write a generic function? You write a function, you gonna write a generic function. How you gonna make a program that works? So people literally just want to go to the front pad and don't want to do the hard work by learning the simple basic syntax. Then learning, when you learn the basic syntax, you learn the basic function of each programming language. You learn how to write your own functions. Basically, if you break them for yourself, then you know how, like, let's say the whole scope. Every programming language has a scope. You know the whole scope of it. Then you learn it. Then you go learn the frameworks. If you have frameworks, or how to call it, like. There are frameworks in different languages, there are different sectors. How we got the technical names, you don't know the technical stuff, you know how to do it, you get paid for it. But I didn't learn programming because I got paid for it. I learned because I loved it. So basically, yeah, videos will come up soon. So Atom, you check. This is the thing about Atom. Note at this part, in case you know people that make Atom, please. We like to see progress bar, so we know where it's going to end. Right now, there's no progress bar. We don't know when we're gonna finish install. We just keep watching the screens and cats and catches moving from house to rocket. That will still launch and be in our system. How rocket and the house be close together, and they will launch in my system, and I'm not in space. So please, even though people that made Atom team to make a progress bar, so we can know the installation process. We can know where we at and how long we have to wait, because I don't know how long I'll wait. I'm getting tired of it. I'm serious. Tell them, even know them. Imagine the same cat coming up every time. Why? Basically, when Atom is done installing, this is the screen you're gonna pop up with. This is the string to say horrible text editor of the 21st century. because maybe it's open source. I don't really jump into all things. So you can choose theme, install package, install styling, hack on link string, compare return with tab. Yeah, version control GitHub. I told you something about that. Then quick new product. One thing I like with Atom is that literally you can split screen. If you come over here, you see that I can split screen, so I can split windows. So that's the right word. I can split windows. So that's what I love about Atom. Right, I'll go click Library so quickly right here quickly. So now we're gonna create. So this is all for installation process. I'm gonna show you how I add the code, but that's what the video all about. Make it as short as possible so people that want to really want to know how to install it, we just dive into it. You want to know how to use the text editor, like how to them basic tool. You're welcome. Atom technical Atom test here. Atom test like a tool right there for you. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, like these videos.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, and comment and tell